Okay, hey you guys. Today what we're going to do is we're going to classify triangles, and we're going to classify them based on either the sides of the triangle or the angles within the triangle. So there are three different ways to classify triangles. If I look at sides, I'm going to look at a triangle that has all the sides the same length. And I note that by these hashtags on the side, the little slashes. This is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral. We can also classify a triangle on sides that have two sides the same. I note that by these two little slashes, and that's called isosceles. Isosceles triangle. And then finally the last triangle has no sides the same. This poor guy, we call him our scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, scary scalene. He has no sides the same. So if I'm classifying by sides, I have an equilateral. All three sides are the same. I have an isosceles triangle, which has only two sides the same. Or I have a scalene. A scalene triangle has no sides the same. So that's just based on sides. But what about the angles? Let's look at the angles. So I can do a triangle here that has, my marker's running out. Here we go. This triangle. If I look at all the angles in this triangle, this angle, and this angle, if I turned the triangle all the way around, all these angles, all three are acute. Therefore, that makes this triangle an acute triangle. If I have one angle in a triangle that's obtuse, see right there? Even though these two are acute, this angle right here is obtuse. Therefore, that makes this triangle an obtuse triangle. And then finally, you guys know a right angle. Therefore, if the triangle has one angle that's right, only one, it makes it a right triangle. So I can have a triangle that's a right triangle that has two sides the same. That would make this a right isosceles triangle. Or I can have an obtuse triangle that has no sides the same. That would make it an obtuse scalene triangle.